Yes,
Hello.
it's audible now. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Great. So how's your day?
Yeah, it was good.
Okay, great to hear that. So let's start.
Okay.
So Aishwarya, we start with your introduction. Can you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, I'm Aishwarya, and I have done my MS in Computer Science from Sameshwar College in 2020. And after that, I did the Salesforce training and internship in Intellogy.
Mm-hmm. Okay, and what are the areas of Salesforce you're aware of? Like, what are the concepts you know?
I know the admin part as well as development part. In admin,
Mm, okay.
app creation of sites and permission sets, internal security, like validation rules, process builder, workflow rule and flows.
Mhm. Mhm. Okay, so as it's a mock call, so what we do, so whenever like I feel to correct you, I'll correct you at that
Okay,
particular place. Okay, Ashwarya?
okay,
So okay,
yeah,
so here like when the interview asks you for the introduction, okay. So as I already know your name because I already have your CV with me or the interviewer, right? So you don't need to
yes,
mention your name because we already know it. Okay, you just need
okay,
to mention that I have completed the internship. Okay, and I'm aware about which topics, like I'm aware about the admin part. In admin part, I'm aware about the out of the box functionalities like creating fields. Basically, like you just need to mention what you're aware about. Like you said you're aware about process builders, workflows, and all of that. So in the development as well, you just need to mention that maybe you're aware about LWC, Aura, and in Apex, you know that how can we create the test classes, how can we test it. Basically you just need to mention all of these things. Okay, they don't like when you pass out they already have that details with them. Okay, you just need to mention because they just want to know like which areas you know in Salesforce, because they are conducting Salesforce interview, right? Okay, so you just need to brush up yourself regarding like how you can introduce yourself. Okay,
okay,
just you need to
okay,
mention like what are the areas you know, and how you can give the brief introduction to the interviewer
okay.
about your skills. Okay, so let's start with the admin part. So can you tell me like what is profile?
Profile is nothing but like department which has set of users, so we can give them particular permissions or any rules.
Okay, mm, like as you said it's a department, so like how you can like brief, how can you elaborate this, like what kind of profile?
Sorry,
Can you just repeat what is profile?
profile is nothing but a department which has various users.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So basically, profile is something like which restrict user that what they can do and what they cannot do. Is it what
Yeah,
you're saying?
yes.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Okay. And can you tell me what is a master detail relationship?
Master data relationship is a strong relation between two objects, in which one is a parent object and second one is a child object, and they are strongly connected. Like if we delete the parent record, the child record automatically deleted.
Mm-hmm.
And if the
Okay.
record is already
And this
present,
deletion, what is called?
sorry,
Mm-hmm.
I didn't get your
You
point.
said na, that if the parent record is deleted, I'm asking you, you said that if the parent record is deleted, the child record automatically get deleted,
Yes,
right? As this,
yeah,
they have this kind of strong relationship. Which, which is this delete called?
I didn't get your question.
Like which delete is this called? Okay, I'll tell you. It's cascade delete. Cascade delete.
Okay,
It's
okay,
CASCADE. Cascade delete. Okay, so whenever someone asks you what is cascade delete, it is same like master detail relationship.
master
It
data.
is a connection between parent and child. The same you told me. Okay,
Okay.
yeah, it's kind of master detail. Okay, so whenever what happen, whenever we want a child, whenever we want a query on whenever we want to fetch something on the parent object from the child as well, so we just want to fetch the fields, right? So just think in
Yes,
that way. Okay, so whenever you want to write any query, just break it in chunks, how you can achieve that.
yeah,
Okay,
good.
so next time whenever you want to write any query, just break that thing in chunks, like how can you achieve. Okay, Ashwarya.
Okay,
Okay, so can we can you can stop sharing. Yeah.
okay,
Yes, Nirpesh. Yes, Nirpesh, you're audible.
okay, yeah. Contact dot. Okay,
Okay. Nirpesh, I believe whenever we write a query, now, so it will throw an error. If it is not contacts or contacts, it will throw an error, Aishwarya. You will able to find out. Okay. So no problem.
yeah, okay,
It's great. Okay. You can stop sharing the screen. We'll go through some query questions. Okay, Aishwarya.
okay.
Okay. So as you said, you know VF, right?
Yes.
Okay. So can you share something like what you have created till now, like any components or anything like what are the concepts you have gone through or and what you have created in VF, if you can share.
I have created one page in my project where we take some input from the user and store it in the database.
Okay. Okay, so basically, you are taking the data from the VF side, and you are just adding that thing in the database. So basically, it will get
Yeah.
added in our Salesforce data, right?
Yeah.
You're saying that?
Yes. 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 Yes.
Okay, okay. Okay, so Aishwarya, can you tell me like how this flow works? Like what we do first, like as you created the VF page, right? With all I believe we have some tags to input something, and then we have something in the backend process as well. So how this flow work? Can you tell me like how this thing works?
First of all, we bind the visual
Like
force
what
page to
happened?
the
Mhm.
visual force
Okay,
page to the Apex class,
okay.
and we
Mhm.
bind the every variable between visual force page and Apex class. By Apex class, we store the data
Okay.
in the database.
Yeah, I got that thing. That's the baseline, like that is summarized part of what you are trying to do. But you have any like internal things? What happened when I input something in the input box in the VF, which has been created in the VF page? I input something. Okay, what happened after that? Like it is something there which is mentioning on load, like if I open that app or page, something is there on the onload option, right? Something get onloaded there. Like how does it works? Like you know any flow how it works backend, in a backend. Nirpesh, are you getting my question? Nirpesh, Nirpesh, am I audible? Yeah, Nirpesh, you're audible. Nirpesh, you're getting my question. What I'm asking to Aishwarya. Yeah, yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. Yeah, yeah, it is. Yeah, yeah, that would, yeah, basics. I'm asking that only. Like as she has created now, like she's inputting something and some that input has been showing in the database. So okay, no problem. If you don't know the flow, that's fine. You can brush up that thing. No problem, Aishwarya. Okay, so can you tell me what is formula field in Salesforce?
Yes,
Yeah, what is formula field?
formula field is where we create some
Okay, no
formula.
problem. I'm sorry, Aishwarya, your voice is not audible to me.
Hello.
Yes, yes.
So formula field is the custom field in the Salesforce, um, which, in which we can enter some formula already for particular field. So means it's provide the results to the record.
Okay, got it. So basically, formula field is something where I need to calculate. Formula field come into the picture when I want some calculation or some kind of operation between two fields. Okay, and I want the result in the formula field. Okay, I want the result there. So at that time, we will use formula field. Whenever I want any kind of calculation, the formula field will show me the result at that time. Okay. Okay. So you know anything about like any difference between workflow and process builder? Have you worked on any one of those?
Yeah, I worked on process builder.
Okay. Can you just tell me in a basic language what is process builder?
Process builder is an automatic tool.
Mm-hmm.
We use it whenever any record is
Okay, no
created
problem.
or
That's fine,
updated.
fine. Okay, 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 fine, no problem. So, Nirpesh, I think we can end this mock interview. Nirpesh? Yes, Nirpesh, you're audible. So, Aishwarya, I would like to give you feedback on on yeah, on the call itself. Yeah. So, Aishwarya, the thing is, as you are an intern, okay? So the interview
Yeah.
will not ask you in-depth question, like any question in depth, okay? And I did the same. I just wanted to ask you like the basic things, like the overview basic things of Salesforce. So they will ask you the same thing. They will not ask you something in depth, okay? So what I'm suggesting you here, so whenever you want to go to interview, okay, just know everything what you have gone through or what you have aware about in a one go. They will not ask you in depth, so don't worry about to go in depth. Just knows everything little bit, like as if I ask you something about formula field, if I ask you something about process builder, you should know what it is and why it is used.
Yeah, but
Okay,
actually I know
as you're an
able
intern
to
right
ask,
now. Yeah.
but unable to answer it. So I will
uh
prepare it very well.
yeah, that Yeah, that's fine. That's fine, Aishwarya. No problem. It's just a mock interview. That yeah, you'll give the mock interview. Then only you're able to have that confidence to go with the real time interviews. That's fine. So I'm telling you this because you need to know everything what you have worked on. Okay, just know a thumb rule that you just need to know that what it is and why it is used. For example, process builder. What is process builder and why it is used?
Yeah,
Okay. If I ask you formula field, what is formula field and why it is used? Okay. Base just have a thumb rule what and why. That's all. Okay. Because you are in a very initial period right now, so they will not ask you anything in depth. Okay. And I would like to recommend you to go with the LWC. Okay. Basic initial things, like what are the decorators in LWC, and what is why we are using LWC over Aura, right? Well,
yeah,
initially we have VF, then we have Aura, and then now we have LWC, right? So you just need to have like why you are using LWC, why Aura is, maybe Aura is having some limitation. That's why we are using LWC, right? So we are using LWC, and what is LWC?
yeah,
Okay, so basic, you just need to know this basics thing. Okay, this will get definitely help you to get a job in a company. And
yeah.
Nirpesh, anything you would you like to add here? Nirpesh?
Yes, 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 yeah. Okay. Okay. Yes. Yeah.
And Aishwarya, you can connect me anytime if you have any, yeah, if you have any issues,
Yeah.
you can
Okay.
connect with me or
Okay.
Nirpesh. We
Yeah.
will definitely help you out. If you find yourself stuck somewhere, you can definitely connect with us.
Okay.
Okay, we have the community. They will definitely help you whenever you get stuck. Okay, Shwarya, it's really nice talking to you. Okay, do well and practice well. Okay, Shwarya.
Yeah.
Okay, Nirpesh, we can drop this call right now.